How to change your account Identicon on Metamask. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your account Identicon in easy, fast way. So first thing we do is we go to Metamask app right here, and now this is the home page. As you can see, now you should choose those three lines here in the top corner and click on it. And now you have many options here, but you need to choose the settings option, and after that we will have another options right here, but you have to choose the first one, general, right here. And here you go. Now you go down and you will find account Identicon, and you can choose jazzy cons or blockies. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was helpful. If it is, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching till the end.